Want to make your Threads account public on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to make private account public on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by launching the Threads app on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, click on the two lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then select the privacy option from here. At the top of your screen, there is private profile button. Tap on the slider button beside it to make the account public. Everyone will be able to interact with your content, so if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can make private account public on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.